Hello everyone, this is Magam Sanathal. Today I will talk about the new salary of RRB Officer Scale 1 as per the 11 bipartite settlement, which will be applicable from April 2021. I will share the salary structure of Manipur Rural Bank, which is under Punjab National Bank. We will see how much a new joinee will get if he or she joins the bank as an Officer Scale 1. Do remember one thing, that salary may differ slightly for various RRBs according to the state, but you will get an overall idea about the new salary structure, or you can say the salary revision. Before going further, I would like to request my viewers subscribe my channel, share the contents and like the videos. These small things or gesture will help me motivated for making more videos like this. So first look at the changes in the basic pay. Earlier it was 23,700. Now it is 36,000 as per the 11 bipartite settlement. There is also a slight increase in the monthly increment. For the first 7 years it was earlier 980, now it has been changed to 1,490. If you guys have seen my earlier video on SBI PO salary, then you will get an overall idea about the salary structure. Unlike SBI PO, here in RRB PO, you will not get 4 advance increment. Similarly, perks and benefit also differs. Within the RRB also, the perks and allowances also differs, and it is different for every RRBs according to their profitability. In most of the RRBs, employees only get the monthly salary with annual medical aid. The one good thing about this wage revision is that it will be applicable from April 2021, or you can say it has been already applied. Now let's look at the salary structure for a newly joined RRBPO. As you all know that the basic pay for the Officer Scale 1 as per the 11 bipartite settlement will be 36,000, and you won't get any advanced increment like SBI PO here. Now look at the DA. DA will be around 9,425. As per the month of April, the DA was 26.18% of basic pay. Here you will get a house rent allowances. House rent allowances, it differs according to the city which has 3 tiers, tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Let's consider the smallest tier here, which is 2,520, consider 7%. Now they have special allowances also. Now the special allowance has been increased. Now it is 16.4% of basic. And to remember one thing, that special allowances also depends on the city you are posted. For time being, let's consider it as a 5,904, and you will also get the DA on the special allowances, that is 26.18% of the special allowances, that is 1,545. As per the 11 bipartite settlement, one new perk is introduced, that is learning allowances. The learning allowances is 600 and plus you will get DA on it. Now the learning allowances is 757. The next salary component is CCA, that is City Compensatory Allowance. The City Compensatory Allowance, it differs according to city you are posted. If there is no City Compensatory Allowance, then you will get a local allowance of 700. If you are posted in any city, then you will get around 1,150. Let's consider it to be 1,150. Now look at the special area allowances. If the employee is posted in northeastern state, he will get a special area allowances. As I am talking about the Manipur Rural Bank, which is the part of northeastern state, here the employee gets a SSA, which is around 2,700 or 3,000. So after this, the total gross pay is almost 60,000, you can say 60k, exclusive of any tax or deduction. Now let's check the deductions we have. Professional tax is around 250 and it varies from 208 to 250. So for them it is 250, and they also deduct NPS amount, which is 10% of the basic plus DA, which comes to 4,543. Now the income tax. Income tax may vary according to the gross pay, because some have higher gross pay, some have less gross pay. So let's consider it to be 3,400 for time being. Now the total deduction is 8,193. They have other deductions also, which you will know after joining the respective banks. So therefore the net in-hand salary comes out to be 51,808. So guys, you can expect your in-hand salary between 49k to 53k as a RRBP officer, depending upon the bank and the place of posting. I hope this video was helpful to get the idea about the new revised salary for an RRBPO officer.